That might be a wedge.
Oh yeah.
Look at that motion. Look at that on my camera screen.
It's amazing.
That's a wedge.
Oh yeah. No doubt about it. That's tornadic. That's definitely on the ground. That is a wedge. No doubt. No doubt about it.
This is number 4.